Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at and review and test this KungFuKing 10 outlet power strip with a built-in front LED panel with two separate LED lights that you can articulate up and down via this little tab. Now this is a 20 watt or 20 amp, power strip, and I believe it's 5,000 lumens. But anyways, it comes with this very nice high quality plastic housing, nice heavy duty cord that's about 4 or 5 feet long. I believe it's probably about 5 feet long. And here we have the power strip. You have your dual on off switches right here. If you turn both switches on, the lights come on. If you turn one of the switches on, only half the power strip comes on. Turn both on, both lights and the power strip comes on. Very, very, very bright. Nice that you can articulate these lights. Also, on this side it has two built-in USB ports, so you can easily charge your wireless devices. That way, like a phone, an iPad, or what have you. But really handy that it has the lights built into it. They also have the reset function for the power strip built into the switch, which is nice to see. So very, very nice, handy dandy power strip. Like I said, the switch on the left side turns on the power strip but not the light. If you turn on both switches, the LED lights come on. So very, very nice power strip from KungFuKing. It was sent to us as a sample from the company.